Imagine hearing a thunderous roar overhead, then looking up and seeing a massive bomber slicing through the sky faster than the speed of sound. A bomber capable of carrying enormous payloads. A bomber designed for nuclear war. A bomber so powerful that enemy defenses were specifically built to stop it. This is the Rockwell B-1B Lancer, known as the Bone. One of the most recognizable strategic bombers ever built, but here's the mystery. Despite decades of service, despite budget battles, despite newer aircraft entering the battlefield, the B-1B refuses to disappear. Why? Is the B-1 Lancer still in service today? And what exactly is this legendary bomber used for in modern warfare? The answer reveals a story of power, survival, and transformation that few aircraft can match. Because the mission the B-1 performs today is completely different from the mission it was originally built for. The B-1 program began during the Cold War. The United States needed a bomber capable of penetrating Soviet air defenses. The result was a revolutionary aircraft, fast, long-range, deadly, and equipped with variable sweep wings that allowed it to adapt during flight. The B-1B can exceed Mach 1.2 and carry one of the largest conventional weapons payloads of any bomber in the US arsenal. When it entered service during the 1980s, military planners believed it would become a cornerstone of strategic deterrence. But history had other plans. Technology changed, threats evolved, and the B-1 would eventually face an uncertain future. Then came a development that nearly changed the aircraft's destiny forever. When the Cold War ended, many questioned whether America still needed large strategic bombers. Military budgets tightened. Defense priorities shifted. The B-1 became a target for criticism. Some believed the aircraft was too expensive. Others claimed newer technology would replace it. The original B-1 mission focused heavily on nuclear strike operations. Yet changing geopolitical realities forced military leaders to rethink the bomber's role. The future of the aircraft suddenly became uncertain. Would it survive or become another Cold War relic instead of retirement? The B-1 underwent one of the most remarkable transformations in military aviation history. So, is the B-1 Lancer still in service? Absolutely. The B-1B remains an active component of America's bomber force. The US Air Force continues using B-1B aircraft while preparing for future bomber transitions. The aircraft serves as a conventional strike platform capable of delivering massive firepower across long distances. Its mission today focuses primarily on conventional warfare rather than nuclear deterrence, and that evolution may be the reason it survived. The B-1 didn't just endure, it reinvented itself. The Rockwell B-1B Lancer is more than a bomber. It is proof that adaptation can be more powerful than replacement. Born during the Cold War, transformed for modern warfare, and still capable of delivering devastating combat power, the B-1 remains one of the most impressive aircraft ever built. Not because it never changed, but because it changed when it had to. Want more hidden military secrets? More legendary bombers? More untold aviation stories? Then join Supersonic News today. Because the next aircraft we reveal may be even faster, even deadlier, and hiding secrets the world has forgotten. Subscribe now, like, comment, turn on notifications, and remember, the most powerful stories in aviation history are still flying.